signs, boys. Read the signs. We're going to the U.S. here. Port Francis, Ontario. Friggin' right's got the winter cam look, you can tell. Friggin' right's. This one is probably got to be the trickiest border stops for anyone. This one's bit for the rookies too. Oops. Stop. Fuck's sakes, fuck off. I'm not stopping. Stop at an intersection. That's stupid. Semi-trailers must make wide turn. Why? Because we're not allowed on the four-wheeler bridge because we're too heavy or too wide or something. I can't remember why. So I gotta follow this Jersey wall because I gotta go on that train bridge there. Fuck's sakes.
50 meters to Via Point on right.
Alright, gotta go wide. Watching the tires, make sure they're on the tracks. They're on the tracks now. That's good. See the sign here? Trucks and buses must use rail bridge. Watching the front end and watching the back end. This is tricky as heck, guys. There we go. Watching the trailer, look, make sure the front doesn't go too far. Watching my back wheels of the truck and then watching the trailer wheels. We are good. Speed limit 15. We're on the train bridge, guys. Listen to this. Hear that thing creaking like crazy. Creaking and cracking. Now we're in America. There's the river. We're crossing there, boys. We have made it to America. Now we're going to talk to Customs. Friggin' rights. Customs is straight ahead. I can't remember how it works now here. Pain in the ass, that's all I know. Yield to trucks. I am a truck. Alright, that's good.